Large public school districts, they're in the top 5 of cumulative cases. This includes Olentangy, Dublin, Southwestern, and in Hilliard. To see the other district rankings, we have them up on NBC4i.com. It is one of our top stories.
Well, as you can imagine, schools across Central Ohio and the state are now making changes with the surge in new cases. NBC4's Matthew Herchick spoke with one school system today that's already planning to return to a remote-only learning model. And Matthew, how did the school leaders make this decision? I know it was a tough one to make.
Yeah, Darlene, it was a very tough decision for them, one that they didn't take easily. Reynoldsburg Superintendent Melvin Brown told me today that it is something that he very sympathizes with when it comes to students that are having to go through this pandemic, but he said we are in unprecedented times that call for unprecedented measures.
It's kind of sad.
Parents reacted for the first time on Friday to the news that their students would soon be returning home full-time.
Emotionally and mentally, she needs that socialness with the kids and the teachers.
Brandy Hayden's daughter is a freshman at Reynoldsburg High School, and though she feels safe having her home, she's concerned about the impact COVID could have on her education.
She needs the teachers to help her, and with online stuff, it's just a lot harder.
Which is why the decision to return to online learning was so difficult for Superintendent Melvin Brown.
I hate it for them. The entire thing, I think about our seniors from not only this current school year, but our last school year.
But after record numbers of cases in recent days, for Brown, the health and safety of students and staff became the priority.
We knew from a remote standpoint, our teachers are doing a phenomenal job of making sure that process works well and that our kids are learning.
A process that for some teachers will be a relatively seamless adjustment.
Hey, we're doing this tomorrow, I'm changing it, I'm flexible, and that's something that you just get in the habit of doing over time.
But as a parent herself, even Gracie Goldencole is torn as students try to transition.
I'm happy because the numbers outside are going up, but I'm sad at the same time because I know that other students need that connection.
Right now, Reynoldsburg schools say their decision will go until the end of December, or until the end of the semester, which is December 18th, and they will reassess where things are at that time and make a decision going forward. But they also told me today they are still having discussions about how this will impact winter sports and athletics going forward as well. Local for you in Reynoldsburg, Matthew Herchick, NBC4.
Yes.